Hello, this is Arvi Ramachandran, and in this video, we're going to walk through the weekly cycle analysis for Estee Lauder, that's symbol EL. EL has been one of my favorite patterns over the years, and the principal reason for that is because it has had extremely clear weekly cycles. And I wanted to now share that with our friends on YouTube so you can check it out as well. So what we have here is a dominant weekly cycle pattern, which is then broken up into these minor halves. What that means is that there is a dominant money flow in play, what that is then further broken up into minor money flows. I've traced out how the dominant money flows have formed over time, and what you'll see here is these have been super clear. And what I want to highlight is how these minor cycles have played out over time. So if we go back just to the March sell-off of last year, you can see that we had two cycles pushing up, with the dominant cycle pushing up as well as the minor cycle pushing up. And you can see the rally that we had. After that, we had a little bit of a flag forming here into the mid-cycle low, and then we moved out of that flag as we got into the rising phase on that minor cycle. And then we had our pullback here to form that next key dominant cycle low timing where we had two cycles pushing down. After that, we got into a rising phase with two cycles pushing up, and you can see the rally that we had. And then we had a bull flag form once more right here into the minor cycle low timing. Then we got a rally off of that minor cycle low, and then got one more pullback to form that next key intermediate term bottom. Now what's going on here is that we were in this intermediate term rising phase with two cycles pushing up, and you can see the rally that we had. Then we're getting a pullback right here into this mid-cycle low. So what we're looking for is a rally off of that mid-cycle low, and then one more test back to the downside to form that next key intermediate term bottom. After that, we would look for EL to get into a much more favorable period here back on the upside, and that goes out into the late summer into the fall of this year. One thing I wanted to note is that in order to get really good at this kind of analysis, you need to look at a lot of charts over really many years. What you're doing is you're basically training your own mental algo to identify those really great opportunities that you see in the marketplace. And the only way to know what is a really good opportunity versus what isn't a great opportunity is to have a really deep database of information that you have really put into your own head. And that comes with looking at thousands and thousands of charts over the years, right? Trading and investing is not about making money right away. It's really about teaching yourself how to identify good opportunities and bad opportunities, and knowing when to be more active versus when to be less active, right? That's something that it took me a while to really understand and internalize, but I think it's very important. So I just wanted to kind of bring that up because I do believe it would shave off a number of years on any new trader's learning curve. If you're interested in learning more about all that we do at askSlim and all of the trader education and tools that we do offer, please head over to askSlim.com. And if you're interested in any of our trial offers, you can also write to Matt at askSlim.com. Thanks again, and all the best for a great trading day.